Howdy. In the button box video I made a few Dupont connections, but just remembered that I needed to show how, and that's what today's video is going to be about. Here's the connector. The wings are for the insulated wire, the flaps are for the bare wire, and there's little tabs ahead of the flaps, which is where the housing holds on to. Now we want to cut 2mm. The crimping tool has 2 depths, creating a lip for the wings to rest on when we make the crimp. The most important reason to get a ratcheting version is so that we can pre-stage, making it super easy to set up, letting the flaps or the wings rest in place. Like this, making sure the connector is sticking out. Be sure that the top before the flaps do not get crimped, otherwise there will be nothing to keep our connection together. Insert the wire, checking that the wire is laying flat inside the bare section, is not past the flaps, and squeeze. This is what a loose crimp looks like. You can see the wings are not fully closed, and this will not be able to enter the housing. So let's take it up a notch. So now we have a solid crimp, and this is the housing, and we slip it into, we hear very audible click of the flap, and yes, it's supposed to have little play. Just like that, we test. Now to take it apart. With the little flap that holds the connector in place, with something small and flat and little to no pressure, it can be lifted and we can pull out a wire. And now you can head back to building your button box.